Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable OKX Web3 Wallet for cross-chain DeFi swaps step by step clearly. Start by downloading the OKX app from the App Store. Once installed, launch the app on your device. Create a new account or log in to your existing OKX account. After logging in, navigate to the wallet section of the app. Select the option to create a new wallet if you haven't done so already. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your wallet. Make sure to securely store your recovery phrase after creation. Once your wallet is set up, locate the Web3 Wallet feature in the app. Tap on the Enable Web3 Wallet button. You will be prompted to accept the terms and conditions. Read them carefully and agree. After accepting, the Web3 Wallet feature will be enabled. Next, navigate to the DeFi section to initiate cross-chain swaps. Select the asset you wish to swap and the target chain. Review the network fees and ensure you have enough balance to cover them. Confirm the swap transaction details and click on Swap. Wait for the transaction to process and verify that your assets have been swapped. Check your wallet balance to ensure the new assets reflect correctly. Your OKX Web3 wallet is now ready for cross-chain DeFi swaps. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.